Life insurance comes in many forms, but it's final expense insurance that's uniquely tailored to cover end-of-life expenses. These can include funeral costs, medical bills, and other debts that one might leave behind. Also known as burial or funeral insurance, final expense life insurance is gaining popularity for its affordability, modest coverage amounts, and straightforward qualification process. The stark reality, particularly for the middle to lower income brackets, is that dying can be prohibitively expensive. With the cost of long-term care, medication, and hospital stays, individuals often deplete their resources towards the end of life. Consequently, a small life insurance policy may be all that remains to address the accumulating funeral bills. Many families are shocked to learn how costly a funeral can be, with the National Funeral Directors Association citing averages of $9,000 or more. Without the means to pay these out-of-pocket expenses, loved ones face a substantial financial burden amidst profound grief. Traditional life insurance policies, whether they're group policies or individual plans with substantial payouts, aren't designed for immediate availability upon death. They often require months to process, which does not help the immediate need for cash to cover funeral expenses. Funeral directors, understandably, expect payment up front without the luxury of waiting for insurance payouts. This reality necessitates having around $10,000 readily available, a challenging sum for many to produce on short notice. Final expense insurance offers a solution to this pressing issue. It not only provides a cash benefit, but also enables advanced planning of one's final wishes with plans like Funeral Advantage. This proactive approach alleviates stress and confusion for those responsible for making funeral arrangements. It ensures control over one's affairs, prevents familial disputes over the wishes of the deceased, and avoids the discomfort of passing the hat among grieving relatives. This type of insurance is essential across all economic levels. Consider a retired couple with a decent savings cushion. Upon the death of one spouse, a significant portion of the household income vanishes, leaving the survivor to handle the unchanged bills with reduced financial means. The final expense insurance allows the bereaved to maintain their savings while adjusting to a new financial reality instead of spending their nest egg on funeral costs. Ultimately, families express immense relief when they discover that their loved ones had the foresight and consideration to plan and fund their funeral arrangements in advance. In the most challenging times of life, such preparation allows them to focus on the grieving process rather than the financial and logistical aspects of death. The peace of mind that comes with knowing these details are taken care of is immeasurable.